That'd be wet snow. I almost think the arm works better.
It is. Good, I need an arm workout.
Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4,
Here we go.
everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So Don suggested we head down that way a little ways and just... We haven't had any coffee. We've been going since, I don't know, 2 a.m. or something. So we do need coffee. Should we go get coffee and then come back? And
No, we're here now.
Okay.
We're here now.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a
There's
mistake,
our
it's
A.
called education. I try to do the same.
Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know if this...
Then you got to come back across.
I know. I just don't...
Yeah.
Do I just call this a day?
I think you just lay back.
We've
on it
had a
all
good day. Let's not ruin it.
Okay. You don't want to go to the emergency room?
Not really, no.
Okay.
Good. Can I take your picture?
Yeah. We tried. We really tried.
Do your sexy kitten pose.
Oh gosh. All right, hang on. Let me turn this off. Come back here and talk about your... Come back here and talk about your...
Good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a 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 good day.
Yep, they had the girls here, the ladies have been doing this whole edge. I think you guys are responsible for a whole edge. Are you responsible for this entire edge?
Yes.
So this is the last piece of weed for Renee.
This is it. I'm going to get this out of your way here.
Oh gosh. And Richard over here. Yay! This is what restoration looks like. Shovels and small...
Dandy equipment.
Yeah, handy dandy equipment, like little cutter things. Yeah.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes
Where is it?
I lie,
There it
other times I'm
is.
lazy
Right
breathing,
there.
though. You always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it.
What do you guys think
Positive
about
thoughts
this
are
whole
overtaken. I got patience.
Oh my
One day at a time is how you operate a cadence.
Archie.
A flow,
There's
you
Archie.
grow, you show
In the class of 20. Well, maybe I'm gonna be the
Stay
first one
away
to
from all the
touch
shit
it.
that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration.
Okay, we're all here on the P. Hey ladies, wave.
Hey, lady.
Hey hi ladies.
I haven't heard that in forever.
Greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good.
We've come to a weird little impasse. We have a pile of tires here, and then we have the S tires right here. So we are beating things. Oh, and our friend the juniper tree. So we're beating things down here. Let the rattlesnakes know that we're coming.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Okay, so we're gonna do a little wrap up here. What's our tip?
Just do it.